Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix PlayStation Network sign-in failed on PS4. Go to Settings, then go to Account Management, then click on Account Information. Now click on Sign In ID. Now verify your mail ID and sign in into your account. Then go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to View Status of PlayStation Network Services. Make sure all options are in green. Then go to Settings and open System Software Update. Click on Update and Update now. Then go to Network, then click on Test Internet Connection. Check the network speed here. Press and hold the PS button from the controller. Then click on Turn off PS4. Then go to your Wi-Fi router and turn it off. After 30 seconds, turn it on. Then turn on the console. Now go to your PC. Then open the browser and go to PlayStation.com website. Then sign in into your PlayStation ID. Now click on your profile icon from the home page. Now go to Account Settings. Now click on Security. Change your password and two-step verification. Now go to PlayStation. Now press and hold the PlayStation button from the controller. From the power, go to Switch User. Then click on New User. Then create an new account. Now go to Home and click on Settings. Then go to Login Settings. Then go to User Management. Now click on Delete User. Which user has sign-in errors? Then go to Settings menu. Then click on Account Management. Then click on Activate as your primary PS4. By following the steps, you can fix PlayStation Network sign-in failed on PS4.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.